today I just wanted to quickly show you a very fast and simple nail art idea. This is just how to apply nail foils. So please subscribe and share and comment below. And we are going to first go in with this color by XOXO. This is called Gypsy Teal. Just going to use this as my all over the nail color today. It's a fun color. This is more like a fall color. I don't know why I chose it. Just looked fun. And it's coming up more blue in my screen. Unfortunately, it's a little bit more green than it shows there. This is a 60-second cure with XOXO. And then we have this by Beetles. I'll link this below. This is just off Amazon. It's very cheap. Came in a set of 2. Nail art foil glue. And then I have, this is the foil I chose. It came in a set of tons and tons. I will also link it below. There are so many options, at least 20 different foils, and all sorts of varying colors. Some are ombre, some are just one color, and then they have different I don't know what you would call that, finishes maybe, or designs. Like you can see that this one is just shiny, has no design in it, whereas this is the same color but has that those little like triangle designs in it. So after this is cured, we're gonna take our glue here, and if you want foil all over the whole nail, then you're gonna want to lay this out. You wouldn't necessarily even do a color coat. You could just do a base coat, but you would just put this all over the entire nail. Wherever you place this is going to be where the foil goes. So I generally like to wipe my brush off a lot. So I just have like a thin layer, and then I'm just gonna kind of brush a little bit at a diagonal. And you can't really see what's happening, so it's kind of an adventure. Then I'm going to cure that and get my foil ready. Okay, now I'm going to take this spot that I haven't used before, and I'm just going to press it down. If you're doing it all over the whole nail, you're going to want to be really intentional about where you get it. And then you just rip it off, and you can go back on. And just get it how you like it. There you go. I'm feeling happy with that. I just wanted it to be, I just wanted it to look kind of distressed, nothing perfect. So I'm happy with that. And then I'm just going to go in with the top coat. It's just a XOXO Shine top coat. And anytime you're like encapsulating something, you know, like this foil would be similar to like a paper or a sticker or glitter, anything like that, you're going to want to do a nice hefty top coat. And cap your edges. And then this is a 60-second cure. And there it is. So there you have it. There's that one. Here's a couple others I have done. You can do way less, make it kind of fun like that. Here's another fun idea. This you would take the foil glue on an art brush, a nail brush, and just draw on whatever you want. Obviously I drew a cactus, and then same technique, you just pop it in the curing lamp, and then it comes out as a little cactus. And then I just used some art gel or some gel polish and just painted on those little flowers. So get creative. Nail foil is so fun, so easy to work with, and you can do a lot of cool things with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope to see you in my next video.